Today I am starting the new topic of Unit 5th, Ophthalmic Preparations. What is ophthalmic preparations? It is also sterile preparations, as you know that. Ophthalmic products are the sterile products. It means for the installations into the eye in the space between eyelids and eyeballs. So these products must be sterile and are prepared under the same conditions and same method as other parental preparations. So what is the ophthalmic products includes? Ophthalmic products includes like eye drops, eye lotions, eye ointment, and eye suspensions, and the contact lens solution. So what is the essential characteristics of different ophthalmic preparations? What is the different ophthalmic preparation? What is the characters? The first one is foreign particles. As you know that the foreign particles should not be present in the ophthalmic preparations. All the ophthalmic products should be clear and free from the foreign particles, fibers and filament for the example. And now the second point is viscosity. In order to prolong the contact time of the drug in the eye, so various thickening agent and are added in them like polyvinyl alcohol, suppose 1 to 4%, and polyethylene glycol and methyl cellulose. These are the agents which are enhance the viscosity of the parental preparations. So the thickening agents are passes follow properties like it should be easy to filter. First one. Second one is it should be easy to sterilize. And third one is it should be compatible with other ingredients. And the fourth one is it should be past the clarity level. So what is the tonicity? Tonicity means ophthalmic preparations are must be isotonic with lacrimal secretions to avoid discomfort and irritation. So 1.9% boric acid and sodium acid phosphate buffer are commonly used as an isotonic vehicle. So what is the pH of the preparations? pH is play very important role because it's play very important role in the therapeutic activity, solubility, stability, and comfort to the patient. As you know that the tears have pH near about 7.5. So pH is more important. So what is the sterility? The ophthalmic preparations are must be sterile when it prepared. So suppose Pseudomonas aeruginosa is very common gram-negative bacteria. This is gram-negative bacteria which generally found in the ophthalmic product. It may cause serious infection to the cornea. Now to the surface activity, the vehicles which are used in the ophthalmic preparation must have good wetting ability to penetrate cornea to and other tissue. So the benzalkonium chlorides, polysorbate 20, polysorbate 80 are some of surfactant which are commonly used. So eye drop. What is eye drop? A sterile aqueous or oily solution. What is eye drop? Eye drops are sterile, aqueous and oily solution of the drug that are instilled into the eye with the help of the dropper. So the eye drops are usually contain drug having antiseptic, anesthetic and anti-inflammatory etc. So what is the essential characteristics of eye drop? These are the some characters of are essential for the eye drops are they should be sterile, they should be isoosmotic with lacrimal secretions, they should be free from the foreign particles, fibers and filaments, and they should have almost neutral pH. So they should be present with the suitable bactericides and they should remain stable during its storage. These are the essential characteristics of eye drop. Number one is it should be sterile. Number two is it should be isoosmotic with lacrimal secretion, and third one is that should be free from the foreign particles. Foreign particles it should be free. Then fourth one is it should be have the almost neutral pH. Because 7.5 is a TRPH, it should be neutral, near about neutral, because pH 7 is neutral, as you know that. They should be present with suitable bactericides and they should remain stable during its storage. So thank you very much. Then further we will discuss in the next lecture. Okay, see you soon.